Good morning vlog, come to school with me. Let's go. It's a beautiful Monday morning and today is 8th of September. Happy birthday, Mama Mary. Ang gugma ni Andrea murag manggang hilaw. Maglaway kag di ka katilaw.
Uy, grabe punchline ni si Cheryl. Ano yung punchline? Kami na ang punchline ni si Cheryl. Siya. Ang gugma ni Andrea, murag manggang hilaw. Maghilak ka kung di ka katilaw.
Hindi maglaway man.
Akalat sa tarungan pag
Maglaway bito ang manggano ni kay ko din ha.
gabi kasi na.
Naduwa.
Kuan. Ayun na nagka.
Arti kayo.
Taon God. Papa nalabiyag airplane.
It is now
Madala ni mo
9:18. Our first period was ethics. So we had discussion. Dili. Magbayad ko kuryente. The university homestay is now air-conditioned, baby. So I don't like it anymore. It reminds me of the air-conditioned bus, and it makes me wanna throw up. Sabi kay ganahan siya dali. I like it here. Hey guys, it is now 11:46. Successfully paid our electric bills. It was a tiring wait, but it was worth it. Guys, it is raining. Still haven't eaten my lunch. It's now 11:51. Little update. It is now 1:23. My class is at 4. Still haven't eaten my lunch, so I need to find a spot to eat my lunch. And then you might be wondering, like, Cheryl, why are you not eating your lunch? Like, what did you do? I was working on my PowerPoint presentation for my presentation this coming Thursday, because there's a free Wi-Fi there in the lobby. So yeah. Okay, dito mo. My friends, they are in their boarding house. They went to Valencia City earlier to do grocery shopping. I do not know if they're back yet or what. But yeah, I am alone today. I am alone. See you later. Hey everyone, just had my lunch. It's 3:23. I'm going home. We have no class at 4 p.m. Sir told us on the group chat that we just had to finish our string arts and transcription activities. So yeah. Guys, mingawan ko ani. Alam mo, ni siyang nasa front sa mong university sa una. Gitang-tang na siya kay Lison. Oh. Today is Tuesday. It is now 7:20. The cloud is so weird. Guys, we're in the university homestay. What you gonna do? Nice to meet you. Hey y'all, we're going back to the University Convention Center. It is now 12:54. there tonight. I can do it, bro! Good morning, y'all. It is 7:34 and my class is at 8 a.m. We'll be having our first ever quiz in ethics and I'm not ready. I did not study last night, so I'm just trying to review my notes. So I'll see you later. I have to study. Bye. Let's go to my classroom. 7:52. 8 minutes and I'll be late. I have to walk real fast. Why are you late? No, see, I don't know. Because I am late. Because I'm a YouTuber. Patay, wala mo nag-study ba? I am not. Oh my gosh, I really have to run. I squeezed that. I'm so happy. So it's two types. I mean, module 2 and 3, 13/15 and 12/15. Not bad. Yay! Elder, I'm so happy.
I'm not.
Bagay sa akong vlog. Okay na kasi mo, ha?
Dili. Papasor.
How's your score? Bagay sa akong vlog, oh. Bagay sa akong vlog.
Hi
How's
vlog.
your score?
My score is scoring but not scoring enough.
Thank you, Lord. I'm so happy. Let's taste now.
Asan yung
We'll be having a class sa entrepreneur. Yeah. Vitamins pa man ang...
Kasi nag-download sa itong... Ay,
Wala ko laptop. Wala tayo pipit ron.
Ala.
I'm with Mr. Sean Justine.
Hello guys, I am with Miss Cheryl,
Yes,
the
so-
great vlogger.
No. So, how do you feel? Are you ready for our presentation this morning?
No, I'm still nervous, but I just hope that we could,
Kaya mo yan?
yeah, we could survive this.
Wala pa si Sir, no? Wala pa si Sir.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye. Salamat po.
Maaari itong magpagalan na
Morning classes done. Tapos po kami sukatan ng para po sa aming uniforme. At ang pinili ko po ay hindi pants, kundi skirt. Excited na pa po mag-skirt. I'll be looking really good. Sure.
Yeah.
That was a joke, bro.
You always do.
That was a joke. Suicide prevention. Mahitag. Free hug. Free hugs or free talk? Uy, igang, guro ka na siya, no? Hey everyone, I'm going home now. So, tomorrow is gonna be a busy day. I have presentation. Hi guys! One of my friends, they are from the Laboratory High School. Nag-duty sila, and tomorrow we are also going to an integrated school after my presentation. Look at me. My shoes are so dirty. It's fine.
But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy.
presentation done. It was fine. Not good, not bad, just fine. Average presentation. Leslie did great today. Hi, Les. It was done.
So well.
It was done. What's done is done. Today we're going to an integrated school. And then after that, we have a quiz.
Pagbalik na po to
Like,
dito sa
what? It's so tiring. And tomorrow we'll be going back again.
Serve the elementary students.
And yeah, it is now. Saan yung oras? 11:44. We're going to the University Homestay to drink water. We're not buying anything. But there's free water inside, so let's go avail free water because we're thirsty and we're hungry. So, yes. See you later. Bye. Gusto ka makahit akong video? Hi vlog. I'm
Please
with Kenneth.
subscribers to my channel.
Yeah. Bye. Look who's here. Oh my gosh. Lynn, I'm vlogging today. What a coincidence. Hi, Lynn. Hi. Time. Lynn is so pretty na yun. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we made it.
Yeah. Buhay nakagawas ng
Ouch.
Congrats, guys.
So, wala pa may paniutulin. God bless you. Bye-bye. Wala pa may paniutulin. Libre, may be? Bye-bye. Ampeng. Mylene.
Kuan kay so grabe yun sila gutok kay ginagamit nila. Kabalo ka.
Na sila'y bingka nga humay o bingka nga balanghoy. Bread. Ayun na eh. He's buying bingka right now. I'm on a budget, so mga irong saya guys. Kapoy kay baklay diri pasak. Hi guys, we are in the PowerPoint presentation. Hala, apa juga sa ubos ni Catherine Bernardo. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Fashion, language, trends, and lifestyle. Ay, salamat. Approve kay ko. Leslie, para sila na ni Vice.
May lugi pa si Vice.
Okay, sige ito. Dapat manggod mo, Les. Kami ka. Titoy. Vlog, good morning. Morning. Ito yun ako kay bago kong mata. I just woke up from a dream. Okay, where are we going? We are all set. We are ready to take a quiz. We're not ready, but unsa kay ito title sa tong quiz? Manners of presenting subject in art. Ivy, what are the manners?
Mannerism.
Wala yung mannerism.
Manners and right conduct.
Good manners and right conduct.
Yeah.
GMRC.
Good manners and right conduct.
Realism. Kasi kayo itong propose sa realism. Real. Fucky. Oh no, fucky. We're inside the classroom right now. It is 3:40. Mag-study na guys. Study na ta. Wala ko nag-study guys. I have to study. So, I can ace this exam. Uy, Jean, ako. Morning vlog, TGIF. Thanks God it's Friday. Today is Friday. It is the what? Oh my gosh. Okay. It is the 12th of September 2025. It is now 7:17 a.m. My class is at 8 a.m. ethics. We'll be having a quiz again for modules 3 and 4. So yeah, bye guys. I have to turn up my camera and then read my book so I can answer the questions later, and pray for me. So last time we had quiz on modules 2 and 3. I did not study. I did not study a night before the exam, but I did, you know the story because I documented it. See you later. Bye. First passenger. Student life be like charot. Hi guys. I'm here in the campus. It is now 7:45. I have 15 minutes to walk faster than ever before, and 15 minutes to finish reading module 4, and 15 minutes to what? 15 minutes, I don't know. Bye guys. 7:51, almost late. Wow, there are a lot of dogs, guys. Mga sintomas nga tigulang nako. Every time magbaklay ko kay sakit kay noyo sa akong tuhod. I mean, not every time, but every night kanang matulog na bitaw ko, pa-feel jud na ako nga, hay kay noyo sa akong tuhod. Something's wrong with my cartilage and my muscles and my joints. You know. Guys, malit na ba ko? 7:52. 8 minutes more. Dol na lang ko, guys. I'm still walking, bro. I'm always walking. Horsey, how's the grass today? Delicious. 7:58. Hi guys. Sir is not yet here. Oh my gosh! First time nakamaunan si Sir. It's 8:01. Sir, you are 1 minute late. If you are watching this video, you are accountable. Hi sir. Pobre ko. Maling kamot ko. Ganahan ko sa mga sir. Para si Sir Gezo. Yeah, sir. Sir Neil Moore, shout out. Thank you for that. I always bear that in mind, because that was so inspiring. Ganahan ko ito ni Sir. Pobre ko. Maling kamot ko. Yeah, let's go. Gusto ka makaisa kong video? Hi guys! I'm with Harold, the tallest guy in our classroom. Ikaw man! I'm with Vinny, the most very fun and like kay ko Vinny on.
Sangre Perena. Wow.
Ikaw man si Danaya.
Sangre Perena.
Si Elder kay. Saka nga Sangre Elder. Kinsa ka?
Danaya.
No! Si Amihan na lang ka. Hoy, Ben! Practice kayo kung man na to. Galit yung audio na Cheryl. Thank you, Lord. I'm so proud. Yeah. And peace done. Thank you, Lord. How was your score? Good. Thank you. Leslie. First period done, ethics. Next period is entrepreneur. But we have no class. So our next class is Philippine pop culture. We have presentation, but we were done presenting. So free time, we're going to University Homestay. Leslie wants to drink coffee.
Nako'y 5.
And,
Pero ano na lang siya, 1/4.
and then, yes. Bye guys, see you later. PE days. We were there practicing our dance and doing some exercise and what else. And then during PE day, we joined Saludo. We had our practice in the social hall. Na-practice mo di ba ta dire? Dire jud dire.
Dire man gyud all
Ah.
present at the rehearsal.
And we presented it here dire sa hallway. And then dira pod nagsayo mi og itik-itik. Ay itik-itik ba tawag ato ni? Ang sige maglalatik. Ay dili. Katutong sayo ba?
Lapay.
Oh, lapay bantige.
Ay ba to?
Yeah, lapay bantige. Sir is checking the attendance. So today we have presentation, but last day, me, my group mates, and I were done presenting. So today we're just like gonna watch the presentation and enjoy their presentation. Bye guys. I don't know. I feel like it's not allowed to vlog inside the classroom, but I'm vlogging. 11 a.m. Classes in the morning are all done, so we're going to an integrated school later at this 1 p.m. and we're gonna eat lunch. Should I end this vlog here? Yeah, maybe this is gonna be the end of my video. I am ending this vlog here. Thank you guys for hanging out with me for a weekly vlog of my life. Yeah. Bye.